Kom shibinta ban bodin batru ban pinstet no ya kikam ki bala sateng baro shikata kisngi kibnai bet kisnem ne kasngi hat majai jongkatyo ke Public Accounts Committee ke yeng dorbar thawang ke jala Megalia peliher bagan jurip ya ki atli ki jingpin tray ya kikam ke bagan thop ya ke jaka ke bade ban samum hanongra batru ke jingking ke ba penyasno ya ke snong umpling bat ki benta jongathan renja bat kumta ter yakini ki jingjurep lalam khmat u MLA kanong my constituency ba Charles Pinrop nang tau ba HM Changkliang ki officer katanat PWD pat kumju jong katanat PHE hakaba kaladon ki jing batai pat penchai ya ka daw ju jing sadin pat ka jing bam chim lala ban pendap setia yakini ki atli ki kam ki balese ki balala ru banyo kum ki thiet ba nakam ta kini ki atli ki snong bat kumju ya ki snong ki bamarjan hadin kini ki jingjurep kaladon ka jing elang bat kilat pathai kubor hakaba uba Charles Pingrop lai thu baga daw jong jing penslem ye ga kam ka bay dei bat ko umbam hapo ka snong nongra ka jing e kumba ka long ka dei baga don kam banta ni ko chaka jaka ka ba kham kinjang no ka snong pat habai dei bat ka ni la ha ban mang karpang ye ka pisa ban thi de ki kor pom ka baga jing klan jong kini ki kor pom kam tu na ye ka chispa apra hos pom pat ye kini ka scheme la de pan mang pat pan snang ban plai pisa ye ka house nem arjar khat nyo khat phra pan ban ka jing slem jong ka ni ka kam ka dei tang namar ka jinglong jingman jong jaka kabla bu jing e ya contractor bon la pan state chakmat ya ka kam hakabai dei pat ka jingking jong ka umpleng uba Charles lai thu ba ka kam ka badang sa jong ni ka jingking anyele ban pendep no bat la antat ba hubnai leber ansala ban play biang no pat ya ka hakabai dei bat kaneu ba Charles lai thu ba jinge balai kendo pat habai dei ba jing slam ban pendep ya jing kieng ka long ba marsin ya crash na house nam arjar apau aslang ban wan link shop ka jing sapriang ka COVID-19 ka ba hadin ba kala kam hyar kala dei pat sakayom slap ka ban slam chisha ka kam ban la ban pendep ya ka hakapasang kala bu ya thong ba khat pra brai ban pendep ban ka kam komba ka long kala bam siki ap south ligi bnai Ndau kurmen ba mentai hi kesnem kane kijingking ansala ban pendep no yaka
which are the construction of the double lane bridge at Umpling connecting Shillong City to New Shillong via Umpling and also the internal roads which form an integral part of the communication lines between Shillong and again towards Negrams and the Nongra water supply scheme. In the course of our discussion with the officers, we have been made to understand that there has been progress, albeit a little slow. Well, that can be compounded because of the pandemic that, brought the work to a standstill in the year 2020, the month of March, and the subsequent fallouts because of the various restrictions imposed by the district administration, which had to be done so to avoid the spread of the pandemic. However, we are pleased to know that this bridge, which is an important connector between the two parts of Shillong, is nearing completion, and we have been informed that by the end of March we will be able to use it, which means the connector will be open from there to connect Umpling. This was sanctioned way back in 2017-18, but due to certain reasons and the difficulty of the area which was chosen to build the raw water sump, that has taken a lot of time because of the nature of the soil, which is more of rock than anything else. That has slowed down the progress. But there also we have been informed that now by this year, I feel, it will not be very immediate, but by this year we should be able to draw water from that raw water sump for the residents of Nongra village itself. So they have proposed house connections, initially just the water supply of about 8 lakh litres per day. which will be augmented in the years to come when we implement the second stage. It was 5.35 crores. It was sanctioned in the year 2017-18, but work started only subsequently after that. Well, that was 18 months, but because of, again, first of all, they couldn't get the proper source also. So, see, this water supply scheme, the main raw water sump, you must understand what that is. That is the main reservoir that takes all the water from different sources. So we have a source, perennial water source, so that will supply this sump. Then we have the existing pumps, water source which will supply this. Then they have done 3 drilling sites. One borewell will supply this sump, and other 2 will go straight to the intake tank for their treatment plant. See, there is water, but it's concentrated in a certain area of Noida. Now, to bring that water to the top of to the highest point of the Shillong will require large pumping sets. So that will be installed shortly. In the sense that the orders for these have been given. We were made to understand there are about 128 horsepower pumps. And those are big. Those are big pumps. So they will, once they supply to the main reservoir tanks, the intake tanks, then after treatment, it should go down as gravity. 1,216 households. But of course, they will have to review that and renew it. But as of now, it is for that many households. We've been made to understand that, before the rains come, they'll have to complete the raw water sump. Otherwise, another year will pass. Because during the rainy season, you cannot construct the water sump. So by end of Jan, we have asked the engineers to start the construction of the pillars which will hold the slab that will cover the tank so that the water can collect there. Now, there may be a possibility that they will not be able to complete the base of the tank, the raw water sump, because of the rocks you saw today. Which means the cubic capacity of the tank will reduce to a certain extent, which I feel could be negligible. So, but as long as the water is coming in, pumping can be done twice a day also. There's no issue. In the initial stages, it was doing well. But soon as we started, I remember at that time, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Roads, Mr. Tinsong, had told me that we shall start the bridge, and we had even laid the foundation stone. That time in the presence of Mr. A.L. Heck, and since I represent the other side of the constituency, and this side, the late David Naoram was the MLE. So we didn't put the foundation stone and the work started quite earnest. But just months later, hardly half of a year later, in March 2020, we were hit by the COVID. When the COVID eased, then it started raining. So there, in the rains, you couldn't work. So we were getting a lot of complaints and, let us say, a lot of insinuations that the legislators were not taking place. But you can't ask a fellow to swim in the river and construct a bridge. And that is virtually impossible. So once the water level went down, then they started again. So this is what today we have seen the roads, internal roads, which sanction has been made, and some work has been carried out. But that was very slow. So we have been informed today that all the schemes that were proposed under the rehabilitation and reconstruction of roads has been allotted to the contractor. So that's one good step in the right direction. Now it's up to the contractors to start and get the ball rolling. Because, again we come to the same point, these roads are feeding New Shillong. So we cannot take it lightly. It's not a question of Nongra, Ompling or anybody. These roads are the arterial roads that lead. So if you want decongestion of Shillong, you have to take special attention about these roads.
The Secretary PWD, since the PWD department was present in the meeting today, I did raise the issue relating to the deplorable conditions on the road from Mauplang to Balat. Particularly the road from Mauplang up to Wailoi is in a really bad shape. Hundreds of vehicles, they ply through this road, coming through from all the way from the southwest Khasi Hills, meaning all the way from Ranikor. Then there are trucks plying, carrying coal. There are trucks, heavy vehicle traffic, and this road has really gone in a very bad shape. I did inquire from the Secretary PWD, and he stated that there is a proposal for an amount of rupees 50 crores from a scheme called NADA. So the NADA scheme, they have sent the projections, but I said that in the immediate circumstances, I think they should take up some minor repair work of the road because it is causing a lot of inconveniences to the travelers along this road. The last few weeks before the restrictions were imposed, we could see hundreds of buses and trucks and small vehicles plying with picnickers going all the way to Khakoi and to the Lauba area. So in this condition of the road, I had requested the PWD department to take up the repair works immediately. So they have assured, and we will see how it goes from here on. Yeah.
In fact, there is a proposal where the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister had spoken to me during that time that we will be also constructing another bridge over the Umgalia, that is from MES to Dongshorung Umpling and again connecting Ichirwan. Now that's quite large. This was the total cost of that approximately at today's rates will be about 70 crores. But that is also a very important feeder bridge to ease the decongestion from Shillong to Neegam's. So that proposal we may be put up in this next budget.